Hello YouTubers, this is Chris Diamond here with Chris Diamond Travels here in beautiful St. Augustine, Florida. It's Saturday, February the 6th. Cold here today in Florida. It's probably in the 50s, but you might want to check it out here. Look at this thing behind me. We're just here exploring the old fort, so let's walk up here and check it out. Come on. Fire off a couple rounds. Yeah, better not today. Maybe another series will do. So we're going to explore some more and check things out.